Hello friends, today I come back to you again with a new video, okay, and I hope you will enjoy it. As usual, you're going to get 1 minute to look at each question. Today we'll just look at some sequence, okay, 2 sequences, and yeah, you want to find the relationship in the logic and then guess the next number or letter in the sequence. Okay, let's get started. 1 minute, ready, steady, go. So 1 minute's up. Let's look at the correct answer. So if you tell me that this is very easy, yeah, I would agree. But then yeah, the logic here is that you take out the highest number, okay, then you get 1 5 3 2, but then you reverse it here, so you get 2 3 5 1. You do the same to move here, you remove 5 and you reverse it, 1 3 2, then 1 3 2. So logically the next one you remove 3, you reverse, then you get 21. That's the correct answer. Great. Yeah, if you didn't manage to get this one, there is a second one coming. Hope you're ready for it. Let's look at it. Ready, steady, go. So time is up. Did you find out what the next letter is in this sequence? Yeah, it's not so obvious or not so easy to guess, so I will spare you some additional suspense time. Here we have A, B, C, D, O, P, Q. Actually, the only relationship between all of these is that all of these letters have an enclosed space. Okay, so you have an enclosed space. Now if you take all the others that have not been written here, they are completely open. Like if you take C, it doesn't have any enclosed space. If you take E, it doesn't have an enclosed space either. Now after Q, the only letter that has an enclosed space too is R. Exactly. R is the one that has an enclosed space. Great. Yeah, if you didn't find it out, now you know. Okay, so yeah, go ahead and puzzle your friends with these type of questions. In my last video, I started with the some riddles at the end. So I didn't get any answer, but I'm giving here a second one anyway. So I expect some answers. Maybe the other one was too difficult. I hope this one will be easy. Here comes the riddle of the week. Where does today come before yesterday? Let me repeat this again. Where does today come before yesterday? In reality, of course, today doesn't come before yesterday, but there is a place where today comes before yesterday. And if you know that place, write it down in the comments down below. Alright, thank you very much for watching. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell, and that way you'll be subscribed. And this will make you always not miss any of my videos. Okay, thank you again, and until next time, take care. Peace.